Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create greeting cards on Canva. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type greeting card. Choose a template that suits your style and click on Customize this template. We can change the elements on the template or add some new elements. Now, let's try changing the color. Next, go to the search bar and type gifts. Under Graphics, click and drag the desired graphics onto the template, then adjust their size and position as needed. To download your completed greeting card, go to Share and then click on Download. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.